Welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Joms. Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my kitchen. And for tonight, ang lulutuin natin is pork Katsudon. And for our ingredients, we have the pork that is already tenderized. To bread our pork, we will be needing flour, egg, and Japanese breadcrumbs. And we also need salt and pepper. And for our sauce, we will be needing kikuman or regular soy sauce, sugar, egg, onions, and spring onions. Okay guys, first natin gagawin salt and pepper natin yung ating pork para magkaroon siya ng lasa. Huwag masyado kasi titimplahan pa natin yan later. Painit na tayo ng mantika. So, ang next thing natin gagawin is i-bread natin yung ating pork. So, first is sa flour. And then sa egg. Then, dip natin siya sa ating Japanese breadcrumbs. Next is, i-drop natin siya sa ating oil. Okay guys, kapag ka nag-golden brown na siya, pwede na nating baliktarin. Like that. Luto na yung ating pork. So, ikakat lang natin siya. Okay guys, nasa last step na tayo. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is lulutuin na natin yung ating Katsudon sauce. So, first is lagay tayo ng water. So, again, wala akong measurement. I'm so sorry guys. Tansyahan lang. Hintayin natin mag-boil yan. Tumukulo na. So, lalagyan na natin ng kikuman soy sauce. Once it's boiling, we'll add a little bit of sugar. So, tatansyahin nyo lang or titikman niyo yung lasa ng alat sa katamis niya. Then, we will add our onions. So, hintayin ulit natin siyang mag-boil. Luto na yung ating onion. So, malambot na siya. Transparent na, I mean. So, pwede na natin ilagay yung spring onions. Next is ilalagay natin yung mga pork cutlets natin. Ilalagay natin yung egg. There you go. Okay guys, ito na siya. Nag-prepare na rin tayo ng rice dito. So, okay, transfer natin. Nag-prepare na tayo kanina ng ating guys. Yan ang ating pork Katsudon. Okay guys, this is our finished product. As usual, verdict time. Titingnan natin, or titikman na natin yung niluto natin. Titikman natin yung ating pork. Harap. Hindi siya masyadong maalat. Sakto lang. Masarap siya. Masarap siya with rice, of course. So guys, please try this at home. Very simple. Very basic yung mga ingredients. Lahat makikita ninyo sa fridge ninyo for sure. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you like my recipe, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and leave me some comments. Huwag mo na rin kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong video. Again, this is Easy Jom saying God bless you all, be kind, and live your life to the fullest. Till next time!